Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Yourself, where we're back with another awesome video for ya. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. Are you one of those people who are tired of sitting idly at home having nothing to do? Did you happen to lose your job because of the pandemic going on? Well, then this is just a video for you. In today's video, we're going to talk about different ways in which you can work, earn money, and become rich through the internet. So, without further ado, let's get right to it. Number 1. Become a copywriter. Now you may ask, who is a copywriter? Well, we're here to tell you. A copywriter is someone who writes for the purpose of advertising, to promote and sell goods and services. They may write emails, blog posts, advertisements, articles for different websites, presentations, etc. If you want to become a copywriter, there are 3 main ways to do it. Become a freelance copywriter, working as a staff copywriter at an agency, and working as a copywriter for an in-house marketing team. In these modern times, the demand for more copywriters is insane. So you might want to consider becoming one. You just need to have basic writing skills. Number 2. Online tutoring. Online tutors provide instructions and information to students on several subjects, having a distance learning format. The teacher and the student can both be sitting in their homes and be able to interact with each other. There are many training institutions that train you to become an online tutor. First of all, you need to determine your requirements. How qualified are you? What subjects are you going to teach? You also need to come up with a course and then choose a platform to sell your courses. Secondly, you need to have a proper audience and to know your audience. What do they ask for? The more potential you have and the more creative your teaching method is, the bigger audience you'll get. After that, you market your e-learning program and you're good to go. Number 3. Become an audiobook narrator. Are you fond of reading? If so, then we're going to tell you how you can read and make money. That's right, by becoming an audiobook narrator. International Living said that audiobooks are an increasingly popular form of entertainment. The convenience factor for smartphones has led to an industry boom. Number 4. Try dropshipping. Have you ever heard of dropshipping? If not, then we're here to tell you. It's a method of retail where the seller doesn't actually have a physical inventory. Instead, when a customer makes an order, you purchase the item from a third party and they ship it directly to the customer. This way, you don't have to buy stuff in bulk and worry about being able to sell all of it. You can simply buy something from eBay or Amazon and ship it right to your customer. Number 5. Become a translator. Do you speak another language? If so, then that can come in handy to earn money online. Anywhere you find people living abroad where English is not the first language, you'll find a need for interpreting and translation services. You can also do translations and interpretation online and earn a good amount of money. Number 6. Teach English. If you're a native English speaker, you may not realize it, but you already have the number 1 qualification you need for a fun, profitable income that can hand you a steady paycheck from anywhere in the world. And that's by giving English language courses online. Number 7. Make a podcast. Do you have a habit of talking to yourself? Well, then why not use that as a way of earning money? How? By making your very own podcast. There are a number of ways to make money from a podcast. The most obvious and rewarding one is commercial sponsorship, but you can also use it as a platform to advertise your own products or services. With a microphone, laptop, a free recording software, you'll be up and running. The key to getting ahead with podcasting is finding your niche, getting and expanding an audience, and then finding ways to connect with sponsors. This isn't the easiest way to make money online since a lot of work goes into writing, recording, and editing a podcast, but it is still worth considering. Number 8. YouTube. YouTube is another platform that's made it possible for people to earn money online. There are a ton of YouTube channels out there on any topic you can think of, from making gaming videos to vlogging. Most of the people with a big following are earning some money in exchange for their videos and time. So guys, that's all we have for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below and let us know what you think of the video and if you've ever earned money through the internet. We'll see you guys in the next one.